Welcome! In this training video, we will demonstrate how to create an EA60 custom sequence with a custom voice. There are two options for creating a custom voice: using the online text-to-speech generator, recording the voice using a microphone. We will be demonstrating the online text-to-speech generator in this video. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the Patronic support website at https://support.patronic.nz. Once the homepage has loaded, click on the Tools link and select EA Series Text-to-Speech Generator. This will open the tool. The first step is to choose a suitable voice profile, which defines the voice characteristics. There are 8 profiles to choose from. For this demonstration, we will select British Male. Next, input the desired text into the text box. Afterwards, click the Generate button. This will create a loudness waveform and display diagnostic information. If the diagnostic information recommends increasing the gain to enhance the overall power, this indicates that a gain of 3 dB needs to be added. Click the plus 3 dB gain button. Once this is done and the recommendation reads nothing to suggest, it means the volume is sufficient. To check how it sounds, click the play button.
Prepare to move to the nearest safe fire zone.
If satisfactory, proceed to download the file. Insert a USB drive. Click Download to save it to your PC, and then transfer it to the USB drive. The next step is to load the generated voice file into the EA60. Insert the USB drive into the EA60. Navigate to the Program menu. And select the Custom Sequence menu. From there, choose Load User File, followed by Load File 1. This action will load the voice file into the EA60. Next is to create the custom sequence. Navigate to Edit Sequence and select Edit Custom 1. You have a choice of 50 tones. For this demonstration, we'll use tone 2. Set the number of repeats to 4 and set a silence of 0.25 seconds. Next, select Voice File F1 and set the number of repeats to 2 with a silence of 0.5 seconds. At this point, you can play the sequence to evaluate the sound. Simply select play. If adjustments are necessary, you can edit the sequence accordingly. The last step is to map the sequence to audio slot 1. Navigate to the Assign Audio Sequence menu. Scroll down to audio slot 1 and press Select. Set it to C1, which represents our custom sequence. Once completed, return to the previous screen. Audio slot 1 is now successfully mapped to C1. To trigger the custom tone, Input 5 or LED 105 is initially mapped to audio slot 1. The input control or LED control menu can modify the mapping of audio slot 1. Let's use input 5 to trigger the custom message.
Prepare to move to the nearest safe fire zone. Prepare to move to the nearest safe fire zone. Prepare to move to the nearest safe fire zone. Prepare to move to the nearest safe fire zone.
This concludes the demonstration on creating a custom sequence with a personalized voice using the online text-to-speech generator. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to explore other videos related to the EA60 amplifier.